day I'm hustling, 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 hustling. Every day I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling.
Hi YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I created this braided wig look. Now I did take an old wig that I installed before on my channel, and I decided to plait my own wig since I can't seem to just find a braided wig like anywhere. So it took me about 6 to 7 hours to plait my wig up, but I did it, and I'm going to show you guys how I slayed this. Now, of course, I did not do a ball cap for this because I'm just going to, well, the cap kind of pretty much blends underneath, but right here I'm showing you how, like I said, the wig is used. That's why the lace is already cut, what the braids look like. I did go ahead and apply my foundation in the inside of that cap, and I used a clip from this wig, in the back of this wig, to clip that, you know, tighter for me in the back, because this is a used full lace wig. Now I did use about 10 packs of the Bobbi Boss braiding hair, and like I said, it did take me about 6 to 7 hours. But installing this wig is just pretty much the same way as you install any other wig, so it's really not hard, and it should be easy, and even easier because it's already styled. Now, as you can see how the lace looks up against my skin, it is super blended and scalp looking, and that's why it's very important that you add your foundation color underneath your lace wig after you bleach the knots. Now, I am going to glue my wig down. I did not want to make this glueless, but instead of using my typical 3 to 5 layers, I'm probably going to use like 1.5, because it's just for a temporary wear. Now, I am going to go in with my GhostBond as usual, and I'm going to begin to apply that glue from left to right. Now, when applying any lace glue that's white, and it usually pretty much turns clear, and I could give you a few examples of glue that is white that turns clear, which is the GhostBond, which is any strength of the GhostBond. Also, this lace glue called Cling, it's also white and it turns clear. And they also have something called Great White, and then you also have the Bow Hold. Each one of these lace glues are applied on white, and they turn clear. So you do want to wait until that glue turns clear before laying your lace down into it. Now that the glue is clear, I'm going to go ahead and pull the lace down into the glue. And if you have noticed, it is some stray hair that's left out, and I left that stray hair out for my baby hairs. And if you've been tuned to my channel from day one, then you know that I never really do baby hairs in my hair. But for this, and to make it look as natural as possible, I said, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and do some baby hairs, because most people that do get, you know, these big plaits do have baby hairs. I think it would look pretty weird if I just glued the plaits on my head. So after I glue this side down, I'm going to show you a little bit on how I applied, well, how I created my baby hairs, because it's really hard for me to do them on camera. So I probably started off doing it on camera, and then I had to go off camera and do, you know, majority of it, and then I probably came back on and showed you like the last little piece. Forgive me for that. I try to figure out how to do it to the camera up close, but for right now I'll be having to go on my mirror to get them baby hairs together. But I hope you guys are enjoying this tutorial. It is very quick, very easy, and very simple. And now that I have laid that lace into that glue, I'm just going to go ahead with my elastic band and tie that really tight so it melts much better. And while that's drying, I'm going to give it about 10 minutes. I'm going to show you guys pretty much how it looks. Like if I was to, I could put this on any side. If I wanted to do a top knot bun, I can, or put everything in a ponytail, I could. But this is pretty much how it looks. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and remove that band and the hair that I had plaited down out the way. I'm just gonna go ahead and take my razor comb, and you just want to razor those hairs down really, really short. Oh my God, this looks so good. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and razor down these shorts. And another thing I wanted to mention, guys, on the sides, when it came to like where my sideburns were, it was still lifting a little bit, because like I said, I didn't want to put too much glue to hold this down for so long. But all I did was use that Got2b gel. And when I created my baby hairs, I just put like, you know, like a good amount on the side so it can automatically stick down with the baby hairs. So like I said, I am going to start off by doing my baby hairs on camera. And then I got really aggravated because I couldn't see what I was really doing. And then I'm going to go off camera, go do some of my baby hairs. And then I'm going to come back and pretty much show you what they look like and do like little sideburn thing that I'm talking to you about now. So keep watching. So that's pretty much what I meant by using that Got2b gel to just lay that extra lace down by, you know, creating my sideburn. Then I'm going to go ahead and take a black wrapping paper and just rub that down so it can dry completely. And then once I remove that, I am pretty much done. Because I love side parts, I just wore my braids to the side. But yes, guys, this is super easy. I'm thinking about actually like making these wigs and adding it to my website. Let me know what you guys think about that. Like, I hate doing these type of braids, but I mean, hey, I'll do it if you guys want it. So thank you for watching, and always stay in tune to I Am Beautiful Hustler channel. Till next time.